Abatago, Chinyere Udoma, my daughter. Tubanu Jesus Yafa, my daughter is back to me.
Nimendum many of you may not know. Am I talking to somebody? Some 30 years ago, so many years ago, we conducted deliverance here when it was bare floor. We waited upon the Lord. Then, if you have weave on, you cannot enter here. Weave on. No. You have to go and barb your hair before you come. Heaven bear me witness. When some of you see me and Odumeje, they say, Sister Chi, you and I say, shut up. Who made you a judge? Who did? Who is the man that speaketh when the Lord has not spoken? And the doctor said my husband was dead already. I said, I don't want to be a widow. Yeah. And he said, this man will not die. Simple. It wasn't funny.
It wasn't funny.
But Jesus did it. A lot of you that are here today, then you no go Greek come. Because it wasn't this beautiful. There was no AC. There was no roof.
There was no roof. It's a firewood thing.
Emma, onye me deliverance na na eba. No onye me deliverance na na aja wukofu. You will not understand until the day breaks. You will look at yourself and say, what happened to me? The shame of going home will be a problem. Because you will look like a madman. But we were seeking Jesus. We were seeking God. And finally he showed up. And people opened their mouth and say things. Judge no man. The Bible said that the things of the Spirit, the carnal can never understand. So, today I flew in with Papa. And I said, I really want to come and see you again. Because God has blessed you so much blessed me so much through your ministry. And I want the world to know that we have been friends for over 30 years. For more than 30 years. Udoma was still a kid. But he took me in like a father. Yes. I was nobody. He took me in. Today, a lot of you accept me because of I'm a celebrity. Come on. Hello. Whatever you seek here, let the same living God that made me who I am do it for you. Whatever your soul seeketh here, that you will find in the name of Jesus. No harm will befall you. The plot of your enemy will never work. Odumeje, you are the eyes of our Father, the mouthpiece of God. Keep doing what you are doing. Few months ago, I met some schoolmates of his that are not even born again, and they said, woman of God, when we were in school, we did a lot of bad things, but Chukwuemeka Odumeje refused to join us.
Come on.
And we were calling him pastor as a child. He never smoked. They drink. We were doing, normal upcoming young boy life. He said he refused to. Born again. So he was not telling me because he's a born again. No, he said no. Childhood friend. Right from the... And he's a millionaire. He said no. He has been my friend from one room. We met in school and we grew up together. I know him too well.
Too well.
Please, always trust in God. Believe only in Him. Let your eyes see only Him. Let your heart seek only Him. He is able and capable to do all things. Do not allow your mouth to put you into trouble. Do not limit yourself by saying things that you're not supposed to say. We may be in the world, but we're not of the world. Do not speak the language of the world. You are blessed and favored in the name of Jesus. Thank you for being part of what God is doing here.
Come on.
May the grace of God, the mercy of God, always dwell amongst you and in your family, in your life and ministry, in the name of Jesus. God will preserve you. He will continue to keep you. As you walk in the continent of His light, you will never go down. The kingdom of darkness will know no peace.
The kingdom of darkness will know no peace. All invite you no. From today, anywhere they call your name, in a native doctor, in a shalai, I command fire to catch them.
Chimekwe ikinya kwuru n'isi mu mechame. Chimekwe kwuru na ndụ mu bịa na mmezu. Otiwo ano na ya bụghị mmadụ nka na maka. Anagakwa ihe ọbụla. Chimekwe ikinya kwuru n'isi mu mechame. Na mekweghị oke echiche ha chere me ọnọdụ ha dohere m Chukwu ejide ya tụgharịa na m ejide ya tụgharịa ihe ide m enweghị isi ka ịma nke a ịma nke ọzọ ebe ime egwu mmiri ime egwukwa n'ọkụ onye nọ na be ya onye nọ na be ya ọkwa chi mụ nọ n'ụlọ ya ma n'ụzọ ya na-atụ n'ahịa ayo God bless you, sir. Thank you so very much. God bless you.
I know many of you may be taught. She have tell you, I am the one after the battle. For the life of her husband, I make doctor to be disappointed. I give her the assurance. And I'm the one she says, Papa, I don't want to be in Onisha again. I am living this Onisha. I said, I'm going to miss you. She left here to Lagos. I am the one that say you can go. She won't tell me we are living Onisha. For good. They don't know what we fight. They will not understand. It has been a battle. It has been a fight. That is why I'm not checking, because I serve a true living God. If you understand me, you are spiritual. I am the spiritual man. That is why I fear nobody. I move by no one. When she's here working with me, and make sure that souls, a lot of people are following her to be here. She converted souls. And he used her voice to praise this great God. And I give her assurance of life of victories and life to defeat opponents and enemies. I have never lost a fight today. I have never lost a battle. I will get this thing done. It is not started today. We did not know today. She has been my child from onset. Maybe you say her somewhere and say we not know. They are the one that begin this church. And when the church is telling you about the deliverance of the church, that's why you are doing deliverance on a stone in a sand. When we finish your deliverance, people that know you will not recognize you. The dust that will cover you, from move out here to move out below, they will see you as a smart person. But they have no choice. Because after the deliverance, the way you look physical is not the way you will look spiritual after that day. Your life and your story will change. Not this time around we are trying to accommodate people that feel it's an insult to tell them don't put with on, that's what we do. That time you can never carry that in. It's impossible. We beat hell out of you because it's demonic. But we try to overspeed. We try to be higher than everything you can materialize so that we can read you on rather than to put you to confusion. People, I believe in some understanding. Beware. Oh, Suna! Oh, Suna!
Madunile nasi, everybody testifies you are good. Everybody testifies you are good. You are good. Gina baromo gogo, ebube gina emeri na-echere ntị gozi. Ebube gị na-agbara ụmụ gị ọgụ. Ebube gị na-emere ekwensu. Ebube gị na-ekwuru ụmụ gị ọnụ. Ebube n'ime anyị. Akijinka atakuru miri bondi Jehova. Ebube balijewe.
Let me see your celebration.
Ebube gị bata ebe kere ọgwụ ochi, ọgwụ arụ onye kere eke nwere onwe ya. Onye bụrụ isi ahụ ụzọ, onye ọdị ebube. Let your glory come. Ebube karịa bụrụ m agha. Ebube jọrọ n'ụma gbekereke. Ebube mebe ihe dibịa mere mere. Onye si na Chineke adịghị ike. Kedu onye si na Chineke abụghị odogwu? Onye si na Chineke ịmakwa na ọ ebube n'onwe ya. Ebube n'onwe ya. Afịma na-enwe ebube n'onwe ya. Chukwu ebube gị matụ ụgbọ ije eme njem. Ije anya wuru ije ọma. Ije anya wuru ije were. Chukwu ebube. Ebube ndị ọ na-emere mmasị, ọ na-ekwuru Chukwu ebube. Ebe ọnwụ na ị gafere ihe na-eme o Jizọs. Ebe ọnwụ na ị bawụrụgo. Ebe ọnwụ na ị gafere ihe na-eme o n'ụlọ ọnwụ na ị gatara ha ga-amakwa Jizọs. Mgbe mmọnwụ na ijere ị na-egosi Jizọs. Si n'ebe ọnwụ na ijere ahụ ị na-enwe mmeri Jizọs. Ebube n'onwe gị. Iwe ebube n'onwe gị. Iwe uchi mmadụ na-achị. Oyoyo dị na-achị. Ọkacha mmadụ na-achị. Onye ga-echere gị aka ọgụ. Onye ga-echere gị aka mgba. Who can battle with the Lord? Who can challenge Omega? Onye ga-arụrụ Chukwu ụka. Kedu onye ga-arụrụ Chukwu ụka? Ebube. Ebube. Oke mmanwụ na-eti children of God, tell me the name of the Lord, the name. Every I